Okay, so today I am stealing an idea I got from Jan, of all people, about trying to do something with the elevation layer in 2D, right? So the elevation layer is typically something that you'd work with inside of a scene view in a 3D environment, and it's what gives you elevation in 3D, right? Makes sense. But apparently I can try to use it inside of a 2D environment. Now, of course, I could always add the layer. Create the layer, don't add it to the map, but just create the layer, and I can query it like I could any feature layer. For example, I can query the elevation layer for elevation data. I mean, that's I think we have samples that do stuff like that. It's not that difficult. There's a method on here called query elevation, passes some geometries, and magic. Just go to the service to get you the elevation data, which is cool. But what I didn't know we had was this create elevation sampler, which should let me do something cool. So let's try this out. Back to top. All right, let me go ahead. I have a code pen here. Add it in here. All right, let's make this, see, center. There we go, that's a little bit closer. Death Valley. Okay, so I'm right in the middle. Death Valley here. Move over a little bit. Is it the other way? Yeah. Sorry. Let's try 7. I want to move. Whoa, it moved. Okay. Alright, cool. So I got Death Valley, got National Forest in here. Cool. That's what I wanted to do. Alright, so I got my elevation layer. Well, let's add the. So I got my elevation layer there. I'm just going to go ahead and copy this code here. Now remember, I'm not actually going to add it to the map, so I do want to wait till the view is done. Sorry, phone beep. Okay, so const elevate. Let's call it elevation equal to new elevation layer. Blah blah blah. I'm just copy paste it directly from there. We're gonna use our. Oh no, that's a custom. I don't want the custom service. I don't want Mount Baldy. I want the default elevation layer service. There we go. This one. Yeah, I want the default. I don't want the custom. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so let me just save this real quick. All right, so now I have the elevation. Let's return elevation.when. Oh no, .load. .when. So now I can add a .then down here, and I think this is still going to give my elevation. This should return the layer still. Dun, dun, dun. Elevation.load.when is not a function. Oh, let's just do elevation.load. I don't need a .when there. Sorry, that was my bad. Okay, there we go. So here's my elevation layer. Yeah. All right, cool. That's what I was hoping for. All right. Let's do this over here. In case I need some console login, we'll do it over here. Clear it. No big deal. I know, that's too big. Okay, so now what I want to do is this cool trick here. The elevation, create elevation sampler. Interesting. So it's going to create an elevation sampler for the given extent, but create a service there for elevation data, caching it so values may be sampled quickly afterwards. So essentially it's going to download the elevation data for an extent that I can then do client-side querying against, so it's super fast, right? So here's what I'm going to do. Let's come over here. Okay, so fun stuff. Const sampler is going to be equal to, actually no, let's do it like this. So it's elevation dot create sampler, and then this is going to be the view extent. All right. This should return the sampler that I want. So now what do I do with it? So now that's going to return back an elevation sampler, and I'm not bothering with any of these options in here for the DEM resolution, DEM resolution, or no data values. I just want everything, because I've never done this before. This is literally the first time I'm trying this. Okay, cool. Query based on elevations. All right, so now I should be able to do something really cool. Let's try this. So now if I do view dot on, I think it's pointer move. Yeah. Pointer move. So dot log pointer. All right, so those, yeah, there we go. So that's my pointer. All right, so I should have something to do here. I forget what comes with the pointer move. Okay, so I need another. Let's open the reference page here. Map view, because I forget what comes with the pointer. I know what comes with the click, but I think the pointer might be a little different stuff. So pointer, yeah, see, so I get the, I don't get a map point, I just get the XY for the screen values. So because I get the XY screen values, I need to do method to map here, pass it to screen point, and it'll give back a map point. So what I need to do to get my point is equal to view to map, pass that event. So now I have a point. So now I should be able to do something like sampler dot what? I don't know, what's the method? Query elevation. And we're going to pass it the point. A lot of nested promises going on here. Sorry about that. Let's see, values. This would be a lot easier if I just async awaits, but it's okay. This might not want to display inside of here. Now let's see what happens. Sampler query elevation then is not a function. Oh, it's synchronous. It's client side. I didn't quite expect that. I thought it was going to just be okay. Cool. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. So let's change this up. Or am I just doing something stupid? Oh, no, it's just erroring out there. Okay, sorry. Okay, let's fix that. So values is equal to that. So query the elevation. So I don't know, is it just going to give me back a strict Z value? We'll find out. All right. It's too large. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. There we go. Ah, so it gives me an X, Y, and a Z. Nice. There we go. So lat long Z. As Z, yes it does. So you get back a 3D value here. Bam, look at that. Okay. So now as I log it out, it's just going to be my, it's not a value, it's going to be my result. All right. And let's go ahead and return the result dot latitude. Lat. That's going to be longitude. And of course, we want to log out elevation. Result.z. Elevation should be in meters, I think. Yeah, there we go. So, boom, look at that. Oh, that's cool. God damn, that's cool. Wow, that really worked. Of course it worked. I had no doubts how it's going to work. So there you go. So that is how you can, if the question comes up, how can I get my elevation out of my elevation services, my image services, and query them inside of a 2D map? There you go. That's how you do it. I didn't have to add it to the map at all. I just went ahead and create the elevation layer, create this elevation sampler, which I just found out about. I didn't even know about it. Jan pointed me in the direction of this. He brought this up. It was pretty cool. And then I just queried everything client side that way. That is pretty darn nice. Wow. I can even has the you can watch for events on it, so change events. So is that the only event that has changed? Yeah, when fires when the data sampler is changed. So I'm guessing, I don't know why it would change. Dynamic elevation layers, such as elevation sampler on the ground view. Okay, so this is only going to matter for dynamic elevation. I didn't even know we had dynamic elevation layers. I really don't know. I didn't know we had that. That is cool. What would make a dynamic elevation layer? I'm sure mountains are falling somewhere, right? That is really, really cool. Nice. All right, cool. Well, that's all I wanted to show today. Just how to do these elevation queries, create your elevation sampler, have some client-side elevation data that you can then go ahead and run some queries on. You get Z values inside your 2D apps. Awesome, guys. Go for it. Thanks a lot.